Banned. The story of an iconic photograph known as the Times Square Kiss, its journey from being banned to eventual acceptance, and the broader implications for fine art and freedom. Disclaimer. While this video talks about our rights and our government, it is in no way intended to spark political arguments or rhetoric. Please keep any and all comments civil, non-political, and factual. I don't care what side of the aisle you're on. This subject affects all photographers and artists. While we do have a right to create, we also have a responsibility to make sure that we don't cross any legal or societal lines. Captured on August 14th, 1945 by photographer Alfred Eisenstedt, this image symbolizes the jubilation felt across the United States at the end of World War II. The photograph features a sailor kissing a nurse in Times Square, New York City, embodying the relief and joy of a nation emerging from the shadow of a war. But not all was smooth sailing for this emblem of victory. Fast forward to February 29th, 2024, the photo faced controversy and was temporarily banned from public display in all VA buildings. The memo, titled Removal and Replacement of VJ Day in Times Square Photographs, ordered the photograph's removal to maintain a safe, respectful, and trauma-informed environment. The memo argued that the photo depicts a non-consensual act and did not meet the agency's no tolerance policy around sexual harassment and assault. Hey, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It really does help the channel more than you could ever know. Thank you so much. The ban sparked widespread debate. On one side, advocates for the ban cited the importance of recognizing and respecting personal boundaries. On the other hand, opponents argued for historical context and the significance of the photo as a cultural artifact. This leads us to the burning question: can art be banned? The answer is nuanced. While the First Amendment of the United States Constitution protects freedom of expression, there are limits. Obscenity, incitement to violence, and certain types of hate speech can be restricted. But when does art cross these lines? That's the debate. Art often challenges societal norms and pushes boundaries. It's crucial to protect this role of art while also recognizing and respecting the evolving values of society. However, the government does have a tightrope to walk, ensuring public safety and morality without stifling creative expression. It's a balance that is constantly being reevaluated. In the case of the Times Square Kiss, the ban was eventually lifted, and lifted fairly quickly. Veterans Affairs Secretary Dennis McDowell said that the federal agency is not banning the famous World War II photograph. The decision underscored the importance of context, dialogue, and also the evolving understanding of art and history. The photograph continues to be displayed, now accompanied by explanations of its historical context and also the conversations that it has sparked. This incident highlights the broader discussion about the limits of artistic and photographic expression. While artists and photographers are encouraged to explore and document the world around them, they also navigate the fine line between expression and the potential impact of their work on viewers and subjects alike. The journey of the Times Square Kiss photo from ban to liberation serves as a reminder of the power of art to provoke, inspire, and even challenge. It invites us to reflect on how we interpret and also interact with the images and the stories that defined our shared history. As we continue to create and consume art, let's embrace the dialogue, understand the past, and imagine the future it helps us to shape. For art is not just a reflection of where we've been, but it's also a beacon for where we are going. Take care, everyone.